What if I told you that the key to unlocking better health is sitting right in your kitchen? No, it's not some fancy superfood or expensive supplement. It's cloves. That's right. Those little spicy buds are about to become your new best friend. Join me on a 7-day journey that'll revolutionize your health, one cup of clove tea at a time. Are you tired of fad diets and complicated health routines? Well, I've got a game changer for you, and it's probably already in your pantry. Cloves. These tiny flavor bombs are about to rock your world. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how drinking clove tea for just 1 week can kick your health into high gear. Buckle up, because this spicy ride is about to begin. What exactly is clove tea? Before we jump into the benefits, let's talk about what clove tea actually is. Clove tea is made from the dried flower buds of the clove tree. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. To make the tea, you simply steep these clove buds in hot water, and voila, you've got yourself a cup of warm, spicy goodness. Now, you might be wondering, what makes clove tea so special? Well, it's all about what's inside those tiny buds. Cloves are bursting with beneficial compounds. We're talking antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They're particularly rich in manganese, a mineral that's crucial for bone health and wound healing. They also contain good amounts of vitamin K, vitamin C, and calcium. But the real star of the show? That would be eugenol. It's the compound that gives cloves their distinct aroma and flavor. But more importantly, it's responsible for many of the health benefits we'll be discussing. Eugenol has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which is why cloves have been used medicinally for so long. You're weak with clove tea. So are you ready to discover what a week of clove tea can do for you? Let's dive in. Day 1. Boosting your immune system. On your first day of the clove tea challenge, you might not notice any dramatic changes. But behind the scenes, your body is already starting to reap the benefits. One of the most significant advantages of clove tea is its immune-boosting properties. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. These antioxidants, including vitamin C and eugenol, work together to strengthen your immune system. But that's not all. Cloves also have antimicrobial properties. This means they can help fight off harmful bacteria and fungi. So that cup of clove tea isn't just warming you up. It's also giving your immune system a helping hand in keeping you healthy. Building a stronger immune system takes time, but by starting this habit, you're laying the groundwork for better health in the long run. Day 2. Digestive health improvements. As you sip your clove tea on day 2, let's talk about how it's affecting your digestive system. Clove has been used for centuries to aid digestion, and there's good reason for that. Firstly, clove tea can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes are crucial for breaking down the food you eat, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. But that's not all. Clove tea can also help reduce bloating and gas. You know those uncomfortable moments after a big meal when your stomach feels like a balloon? Clove tea can help with that. It has carminative properties, which means it can help reduce gas and bloating in the digestive tract. Moreover, clove tea can help soothe an upset stomach. If you're dealing with nausea or indigestion, a warm cup of clove tea might be just what you need. The eugenol in cloves has a mild numbing effect, which can help ease stomach discomfort. Day 3. Pain relief and anti-inflammatory effects. Welcome to day 3 of your clove tea journey. Remember eugenol, that compound we mentioned earlier? Well, it's not just good for your immune system. Eugenol also has powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic, pain-relieving properties. This means that drinking clove tea regularly could help reduce inflammation throughout your body and potentially ease certain types of pain. Now, I'm not saying clove tea is a miracle cure for all your aches and pains, but it could be a natural way to complement your existing pain management strategies. For example, some people find that drinking clove tea helps with headaches or menstrual cramps. The anti-inflammatory effects of clove tea are particularly interesting. Chronic inflammation is linked to a whole host of health problems, from arthritis to heart disease. By regularly consuming anti-inflammatory foods and drinks like clove tea, you're giving your body extra tools to fight this harmful inflammation. Day 4. Oral health benefits. We're halfway through our week of clove tea, and today we're focusing on something you might not expect: your oral health. That's right, that cup of clove tea you're sipping isn't just good for your insides, it's also benefiting your teeth and gums. Cloves have been used in dental care for centuries, and for good reason. Remember our friend eugenol? It turns out it has antibacterial properties that can help fight off the bacteria that cause tooth decay and gum disease. But that's not all. Clove oil, which is present in small amounts in clove tea, has been traditionally used to relieve toothache. While drinking clove tea isn't the same as applying clove oil directly, some people find that it helps soothe minor oral discomfort. Clove tea can also help freshen your breath naturally. Its strong, spicy flavor can help mask bad breath, while its antibacterial properties work to eliminate some of the bacteria that cause bad breath in the first place. Now, I'm not saying you should ditch your toothbrush and just drink clove tea. Good oral hygiene practices are still crucial, but adding clove tea to your routine could be like giving your regular dental care a little boost. By day 4, you might start to notice that your mouth feels fresher throughout the day. Some people even report that their teeth feel cleaner. Day 5, blood sugar regulation. As we move into day 5 of our clove tea journey, let's talk about something that affects millions of people worldwide: blood sugar levels. Whether you're dealing with diabetes or just trying to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day, blood sugar regulation is crucial for overall health. Some studies have suggested that cloves may help lower blood sugar levels. Now, I want to be clear. Clove tea is not a replacement for diabetes medication or a proper diet. But for people looking to support healthy blood sugar levels, it could be a helpful addition to their routine. Even if you don't have diabetes, stable blood sugar levels are important. They can help prevent energy crashes, reduce cravings for sugary snacks, and contribute to better overall health. By drinking clove tea regularly, you might be giving your body a little extra help in keeping those blood sugar levels steady. At this point in your week of clove tea, you might start noticing that you're not experiencing as many energy slumps throughout the day. Maybe you're not reaching for that mid-afternoon sugary snack as often. These could be signs that your blood sugar levels are becoming more stable. Day 6, potential weight management support. As we near the end of our week, let's talk about how clove tea might support your weight management goals. Now, I want to be clear right off the bat. There's no magic tea that will make you lose weight overnight. Healthy weight management always comes down to a balanced diet and regular exercise. But clove tea might be a helpful addition to your overall health and wellness routine. So how can clove tea potentially support weight management? Well, it comes down to a few factors. First, clove tea is naturally calorie-free when consumed without added sweeteners. This makes it a great alternative to sugary drinks if you're watching your calorie intake. There's also some evidence to suggest that the compounds in cloves might help boost metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently. Now, don't expect miracles. The effect is likely to be small. But combined with a healthy diet and exercise, every little bit helps, right? By day 6, you might notice that you're feeling more satisfied after meals, or that you're not snacking as much between meals. Of course, everyone's experience is different. Day 7, enhanced skin health. Congratulations. You've made it to the final day of our clove tea week. Today, we're going to talk about a benefit you might not expect from a cup of tea: improved skin health. You see, the health of your skin is not just about what you put on it, but also what you put in your body. And clove tea, with its powerful antioxidants, could be doing wonders for your skin from the inside out. Remember those antioxidants we talked about earlier? Well, they don't just help your immune system. They also play a crucial role in protecting your skin cells from damage. This damage, often caused by things like UV rays and pollution, can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and other skin issues. By regularly consuming antioxidant-rich foods and drinks like clove tea, you're giving your skin an extra line of defense against this damage. But that's not all. Cloves also have antimicrobial properties, which could potentially help with certain skin issues. While drinking clove tea isn't the same as applying it directly to your skin, some of these benefits might still translate to improved skin health overall. Moreover, proper hydration is crucial for healthy skin, and herbal teas like clove tea contribute to your daily fluid intake. Staying well hydrated helps keep your skin plump, smooth, and radiant. Even if you don't see immediate changes, know that by drinking clove tea regularly, you're supporting your skin health in the long term. It's all about consistency and giving your body the tools it needs to keep your skin looking its best. If you've enjoyed this spicy ride and learned something new, why not share the love? Hit that like button and let me know in the comments how you plan to incorporate clove tea into your daily routine. Got questions about clove tea or want to share your own experiences? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and who knows, Your comment might inspire our next video. Speaking of which, if you want to stay up to date with more health hacks and wellness tips, smash that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to ring that bell icon to join our notification squad. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos packed with more secrets to unlock your best health.